automated chemical milling process uses degreasing and etching solutions in massive stainless steel tanks to prepare the metal fuselage panels for bonding.
Initiate low pressure test. Pressure holding steady at 3 psi. No leaks detected.
All right, bring it down. Watch that coupling. Looks good. Seat it. Locked in.
Check cyclic full left.
Confirmed. Reading 15 degrees. Check cyclic full right.
Confirmed. Reading negative 15 degrees. Centering controls.
Utilizing a time-lapse view, the robotic arm applies long strips of resin-impregnated building up to fiber.
Hold position. We need to rotate counterclockwise slightly.
Rotating now. Check alignment again.
Looks good. Proceed with the descent.
The weight of the helicopter is slowly transferred from the jacks to the wheels, compressing the heavy-duty hydraulic struts. The technician pulls the emergency release lever to verify the mechanical drop function. These hooks are designed to lift 26,000 pounds. APU stabilizing.
Power transfer is complete. Electrics look good.
Aligning the route. Ready for the pin.
Pin engaged. Driving it home now.
Pin secured. Check the torque.
The forward sensors are reading 25,300.
Aft reading 24,300. Confirmed.
Initiating the print cycle for the metal plate.
We're holding steady at 98% torque.
All primary indicators are in the green.
The laser tracker measures the tip path of each blade. As adjustments are made, the dots converge.
Tension is stable. Keep it smooth.
Steady movement confirmed on track. Looking good.
Ready on the forward coupling?
Standing by. Engaging on 3. 1, 2, 3. Locked.
Lumens are stable at 45,000.
Confirmed. Meets military spec.
These large, circular vortex filters, or EAPS units, utilize a complex honeycomb texture to spin sand. Here in the tail compartment, the flight data recorder is secured in its shock-mounted rack. The data cable is connected, and the
Okay, hold it right there. Looks good.
Copy that. Finalizing the adjustment now.
A pass result confirms the hydraulic fluid meets the highest standards, free of microscopic contaminants. These yellow torque stripes allow for an instant visual check to see if a bolt has loosened during operation.
Landing gear secure. Panel checks complete.
Rotor pins confirmed and locked.
Engine cowling secured. Ready for sign-off.
Systems initialization engaged. Check. Flight controls, check. Display is nominal.
The Chinook's advanced flight computers maintain a perfect 50-foot hover, completely negating the turbulent crosswind.
The aircraft rolls gracefully into the turn.
The powerful 50,000-pound machine demonstrates the agility of a nimble scout helicopter.
Approaching minimums, synthetic vision is clear.
20 feet, settling dust. Touchdown.
The Chinook is officially accepted. Well done to the team.
Thank you, Colonel. We are proud of this aircraft.
The final stage involves a meticulous inspection of the ballistic protection panels. Tapping confirms the tight fit and structural integrity of the armor.
Status check on the anti-jamming protocol. Confirmation. Green status, full signal integrity maintained.
Intercom check, cabin to cockpit. How read?
Loud and clear, Chief.
5x5.
Clear the ramp now.
Wheels are locked. Move it out.
Watch the clearance on the